To free up space on Samsung Galaxy A57 5G, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to enter the device care, and then we can look for the storage options. Inside there's plenty of options to free up space, so let's start from the top and then we'll move to the bottom. So here you can see the detailed statistics of your storage. You can see which files take how much space on your phone. For example, here we can read that my audio files take 64 megabytes, which means we can check my audio files, and as you can see right here, I have multiple of the same duplicate files that I can remove to free up that space. They will be moved to trash and still occupy the space, so I will show you later how to clean up your trash as well. So now it freed up around 40 megabytes from the audio files. There's also greater option to find any duplicate files by clicking on this button right here, and then if you have those duplicates, you'll be able to remove them. There's also other things here. So as you can see, system takes most space. It takes 16.56 gigabytes, and you cannot modify it. The system will take that space and it needs it. You can go for apps instead and then try to remove apps that you haven't used or you're not using. Just pay attention to those apps and try to remove everything that you don't need. Then there's a trash on the bottom right here. Make sure that you empty your trash whenever you're here, just to free up this additional space on your phone, because if you have files in the trash, they will last there for 30 days, taking up space. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.